We'll guide you through how to sign in to Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in docs.google.com. Hit enter to navigate to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll see a blue button that says Go to Google Docs. Click that, and it'll prompt you to sign in. Here, you need to enter your Google account email address and hit Next. Then, type in your password and click Next again. If you have two-step verification set up, you'll need to verify your identity. This might be through a text message or an app like Google Authenticator. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be redirected to the main Google Docs dashboard. Here you can see all your documents or start a new one by clicking the blank option. If you're already signed into your Google account, typing docs.google.com will take you directly to the dashboard. You won't need to sign in again unless you've cleared your cookies or logged out. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signed into the correct one by checking the profile picture or icon in the top right corner. You can click on it to switch accounts if needed. And that's it. You're ready to create and edit documents in Google Docs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.